Good morning, class 10th. I hope all of you doing well. So today what we'll be doing, we'll be learning about a new topic. And what is the name of the new topic? Surface area and volume of a cone. Now, आपने कभी चने खाए हैं? जब आप एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट जाते हैं तो आप बस स्टैंड में गए, अगर अगर बस स्टैंड में अगर आपने कभी चने खाए हैं तो हमेशा कोन बना के देते हैं. The person who's selling that does not know that he's making a cone, but he is selling you chana in the cone, and you're eating that, right? So I hope every one of you guys have seen a cone. So I have a cone with me right now. You guys can have a look. This is a cone. This is in the shape of a cone. Can you guys see? I hope you are able to see. So if you see this is circular at the bottom. This is circular over here, okay, and it is pointed over here, okay, and this is called a cone. Well, to explain this, I'll make a diagram for you of a cone. So the cone looks something like this. I hope you're able to see. This is a cone. A birthday cap is a cone, right? There are so many other things that are cone, and you guys can just think of an example. Can you guys think of some examples in your daily life where you might have come across cone or a solid that looks like a cone? So I'm going to talk about how what are the different parts of a cone. So this is a circular part. The down part over here, the bottom part, that is a circular part. Okay, this is the radius r. This is the height. Height is always in the center. Remember that. This is height. Okay, and this is the slant height. जो एक कोने से ये सर्क्यूमफेरेंस को टच करती है, इसको बोलते हैं हम स्लांट हाइट. थोड़ी स्लांटेड है और उसको स्लांट हाइट कहते हैं. सो हाइट एंड स्लांट हाइट आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, सो डोंट मिक्स इट अप टुगेदर. ऑलराइट, so this is slant height, this is height, and this is radius. Okay, and this is called the vertex, and this is called the base. And base is in which form or which shape? The base is always in circular shape. Can you guys see? Okay, so let's get started and see कि भाई रिलेशन क्या है. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे हाइट, स्लांट हाइट और रेडियस के बीच में रिलेशन क्या है. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व दिस इज बिकमिंग अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो स्लांट हाइट is always, slant height का square is equals to h का square plus r का square. So sometimes they might give you h and r and you will have to find slant height on your own. So you'll be using Pythagoras theorem because it is forming a right angle triangle. Okay, so the relationship between slant height and radius is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so even if you have to find slant height, you can use this formula, h square plus r square. Some of you will be thinking, where did this formula come from? This formula came from Pythagoras theorem. I shifted square on that side, so it became a square root. So this is called slant height. Okay, okay, let's go move ahead. Okay, so if I cut open this, if I make a cut and open this cone is going to look something like this. You all can have a look. The cone is going to look something like this. This is how the cone is going to look. So this part and this part were attached with each other and it was forming a cone. Now I took a knife and made a cut from one end, and the cone is looking something like this now. All right, why I did cut open this? Because I need to find the formula यार. I need to understand कि इसका formula आता कैसे है. हम लोग formula लगा तो सकते हैं, but it's not going to be very useful if you don't know where did the formula came from. So I'm going to draw small triangles in the cone itself. Okay, Now I'm going to pick this triangle up and place it over here. I'm sorry, थोड़ा वैसा बन गया, but it's okay. I'm gonna pick this up and place it over here. I'm gonna pick this up and place it over here. I'm gonna pick this up and place it over here. I'm gonna pick this up and place it over here. I'm gonna pick this up and place it over here. Pick that up and place it over here. और जो आखिरी वाला उठाऊंगा उसको आधा करके आधा यहाँ लगा दूंगा और आधा यहाँ लगा दूंगा. So if you see, this is going to look like a rect triangle. Can you see it's forming a rect triangle? This is forming a rect triangle. But let me take you back to this cone and tell me what is the length, or how do you measure the length of this? How do you measure the length of this? So I guess you measure the length of this how? 2 pi r. This is the circumference. So this 2 pi r also is this 2 pi r. Are you guys getting it? So जब मैंने इसे कट किया तो अभी भी ये 2 pi r ही रहेगा. ये है 2 pi r. Now this part, this part, this part and this part are down over here, and this part, this part, this part is over here. So I can say this is pi r और ये pi r, और फिर दोनों को वापस मिलाएंगे तो 2 pi r बन जाएगा. सो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया ये pi r है, ये pi r है, ये तो दोनों को वापस मिलाएंगे तो 2 pi r बन जाएगा. Okay, and what about this? This is the slant height. This is the slant height, so this is going to be the slant height. How do you find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, right? You find the area of a rectangle, sorry, so I have to find the area of this part. Okay, and area of this part is going to be length into breadth. So what is length? Pi r into this, that is slant height. So what is the formula for surface area, curved surface area? The curved surface area, the formula is pi rl, where pi, you already know what it is, and r is the radius of the bottom part or the base part, and l is the slant height. So how do you find the curved surface area? By pi rl. पर अगर आपको टोटल सरफेस एरिया ढूंढना है, मतलब आपको इसका भी ढूंढना है और नीचे का भी, तो आप क्या करना है, कर्व सरफेस एरिया तो ऊपर ऊपर का आ गया, नीचे का ऐड कर देना टोटल सरफेस एरिया में. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया इक्वल्स टू पाई आर एल, ऊपर का पार्ट और नीचे का जो बेस है, और उसका एरिया कैसे ढूंढते हैं? पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट इज योर फॉर्मूला? पाई इज कॉमन, आर इज कॉमन, व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? एल प्लस आर. Okay, pi r l plus r. This is the total surface area of a cone. All right, so you got two formulas, pi r l and pi r l plus r. This is for the curved surface area, ऊपर ऊपर वाले पार्ट के लिए. This is the curved surface area. You guys can have a look. ये curved surface area है, इस पार्ट के लिए pi r l है. पर अगर टोटल सरफेस एरिया, दिस कर्व सरफेस एरिया, और इसका भी एरिया ढूंढना है, ये सर्कुलर पार्ट का, तो उसको बोलते हैं टोटल सरफेस एरिया. अब आ जाओ बात कर लेते हैं हम लोग वॉल्यूम की. ओके, नाउ लेट्स फाइंड वॉल्यूम. हाउ डू वी फाइंड वॉल्यूम? वॉल्यूम आपको पता है कि आपके पास सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम क्या था? Does anyone know what was the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder? Finding the volume of a cylinder was pi r square h. This was the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. और इसका रेडियस आप कितना भी ले सकते हो और हाइट कितना भी, तो फॉर्मूला ये होगा. तो आपको ये बता दूं मैं कि अगर इसका रेडियस 2 है और अगर इसकी हाइट 5 है, तो आपने सेम कोन लिया, रेडियस 2 का और हाइट 5 का. हाइट क्या आएगी आपकी? 5. तो इन दोनों का वॉल्यूम सेम नहीं होगा, पर जब आप इसमें पानी डालोगे, सेम रेडियस और सेम हाइट की कोन में इसमें पानी भरोगे पूरा टॉप तक, और इसमें से पानी लेके इसमें डालोगे, तो कितना भरेगा? इतना भरेगा. और ये कितना होता है? 1/3. 1/3 ही भरेगा. तो जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन है इज इक्वल्स टू 1/3 वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर. So what is the volume of a cone? volume of cone equals to 1/3 of volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So what is the volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. It's same as the cylinder but उसका 1/3. ठीक है? So you got 3 formulas now. You have 3 formulas in your pocket. Put it in your pocket and use it whenever you need to. These are the 3 formulas that you have in mind, and you can keep it in your pocket and use it wherever you go. If you see a cone, take out the formula, use the formula. All right, so let's see what we can do. We'll do some questions out of exercise 17.2, and I can help you in some of the questions. The very first question is, I'll be reading it out for you instead of just writing it down. So the question is, find the curved surface area and of a right circular cone whose slant height is 10 centimeter and base is 7 centimeter. So I'm doing question number 1 over here, and what is given to me, I'll be writing. Given to me is slant height, that is L. L is 10 centimeter and base radius is 7 centimeter. So how do I find? Tell me, how do I find the curved surface area? Curved surface area equals to pi RL. So 22 upon 7 into R is 7 into 10. So this and this can be cancelled. 210 centimeter square, because ये area है तो centimeter square. Isn't that amazing? Very simple. Once you know the formula, then things becomes very easy. Okay, let's move on and let's try doing some more questions on them. Let's have a look in question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, I'll do it for you. Question number 4. Just a second. We'll do it over here. Okay, so question number 4. Find the volume of a right circular cone with radius. So what is radius given to me? 6 centimeter, and height is given to me what? 7 centimeter. All right, so I have to find the volume. How to find the volume? Volume of a cone equals to what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? So volume equals to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into what is r? R is 6 into 6, because r square into 7, because there was r square, so I write 6 into 6. 7 and 7 can get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are, and whatever is left you can multiply. You'll get the volume in centimeter cube. Now why you are writing centimeter cube? But whenever the volume is there, you'll be writing centimeter cube. But also 3 centimeter है, इसमें भी centimeter आ रहा है, इसमें भी centimeter, इसमें भी centimeter. So how many centimeters are there? 3. So that's why we write cube. Okay, so 22 into 2, that is going to be 44, and 44 into 6, 264 centimeter cube. So that's my answer, 264 centimeter cube. All right, okay, let's see some more questions. Question number 7. If the volume of a right circular cone of its height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. Now don't get confused कि 9 is the volume. No. 9 is the height. So I'll just write it down whatever I know in this question. Question number 7, I know height is 9 centimeter and volume is what? Volume of a cone is 48 pi centimeter cube. Find the diameter of its base. So first of all, whatever is given, whether volume is given or area, surface area is given, जो भी दिया जाता है ना आपको, उसी का फॉर्मूला पुट कर दो. Volume of a cone equals to what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? And you know what is the answer? Answer is 48 pi centimeter cube. 1 upon 3 pi r you don't know, h is 9. ठीक है, now 3 and this can be cancelled out. सो ये हो गया। अब आपके पास इधर भी पाए है, इधर भी पाए, कैंसिल कर दो। तो 48 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब इक्वल्स टू आर स्क्वायर इंटू 3। नाउ 3 कैन कम डाउन ओवर हियर, 48 अपॉन 3 इक्वल्स टू आर स्क्वायर। 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 6 are 18. So 16 is equals to r square, and I know that r is going to be 4 centimeter. So I got the radius, but they didn't ask me the radius. See, what did they ask me? Find the diameter of the base. So diameter is going to be 2r. Diameter हमेशा 2r होता है. So it's going to be diameter 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. So this is the diameter. I have radius as 4 centimeter. Okay, so let's do last question for the day. Last question for the day will be, let's see question number 9. Okay, we'll do question number 9. We'll do it this way so that it's visible to you guys. Question number 9. Find the slant height and the base of a diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Respectively का मतलब होता है, अगर slant height पहले दी है तो slant height है 25 meter, and then the base of the diameter is 14 centimeter, sorry, and radius will be 7. You all know क्योंकि जो radius होता है आधा होता है diameter का, right? Find the cost of whitewashing it, its covered curved surface area. So एक tomb है, ओके, और जो tomb है वो किसकी शेप में, कोन के शेप में, ऐसे करके। अब इसको वाइट वॉश करना है। वाइट वॉश मतलब पुताई होती है ना, जो वाइट वॉश करते हैं, उससे करना है। और 210 पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर नहीं लिखा है, पर मीटर स्क्वायर नहीं लिखा है, 100 मीटर स्क्वायर। सो विल कीप दिस इन माइंड, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू फाइंड द कर्व सरफेस एरिया। ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स फाइंड कि भाई कर्व सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है। कर्व सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ कोन इज इक्वल्स टू पाई आर एल, right? And I have pi, that is 22 upon 7, into I have r, that is 7, into L is 25. So 7 and 7 get cancelled out. Now 22 into 5 I'll multiply. So my answer is 550 centimeter square. But now I have to find the cost कितना लगेगा यार। रेट ये चल रहा है अभी कि इतने में इतना, तो ये मीटर स्क्वायर, सॉरी, ठीक है। तो मैं क्या करूँगा, कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग equals to 550 मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन 100, बिकॉज 100 पर मीटर स्क्वायर है, तो मैं अपॉन डिवाइड 100 से कर दूंगा, इनटू रुपीज से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा। सो आई विल गेट द कॉस्ट, 0 and 0 कैंसिल, 0 and 0 कैंसिल, सो 55 into 21, 1155 rupees. So this is the cost. So why did I divide by 100? That's a big question that might be coming in your head right now. Why did I multiply, or sorry, divide by 100? Because जब आपको पहले छोटी क्लासेस में दिया जाता था 210 पर मीटर स्क्वायर लिखा जाता था, पर अब 100 मीटर, सो मुझे 100 मीटर के लिए इतने रुपए यूज हो रहे हैं। तो मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको, ये 100 मीटर स्क्वायर है, इसके लिए आपको कितने रुपए लग रहे हैं, 210। फिर ये 100 मीटर स्क्वायर है, 210, फिर ये 100 है, 210, फिर ये 100 है, 210, फिर ये 100 है, 210। तो ये कितने हो गए, 500, तो ये हो गए 100 100 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, तो ये 500 मीटर स्क्वायर, तो ये हो गए। और ये हल्का सा ये बचा जो कि 50 है। सो 210 इसमें, 210 इसमें, 210 इसमें, 210 इसमें लगेंगे, 210 इसमें लगेंगे, और इसका आधा लगेगा इसमें। So that's why I divided by 100 in order to get कि भाई कितना हो सकता है। That's why I divide by 100. Okay, I hope you guys got this, and how we can solve some questions on cone. And yeah, just use the formula in every question and you get your answer. But first do the questions that I have done for you. Okay, that is going to be really really helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, everyone.